Microsoft Access, one of the most powerful and approachable database platforms in the Microsoft ecosystem or the world. Access combines a graphical interface, a robust database engine, and VBA programming to deliver custom business applications that fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're managing data for a small team or an entire operation, Access provides scalability, flexibility, and affordability. Access lets you build relational databases, automate workflows, and integrate seamlessly with tools like Excel, SQL Server, and SharePoint. Over 3 decades, Microsoft Access has evolved, from Access 1.0 in 1992 to today's Microsoft 365 or Access 2024 versions. Each version brought improvements, from better UI and data connectivity and modern integration. Access bridges the gap between Excel and enterprise systems like SQL Server, offering power without the overhead. And with VBA, Access becomes a development platform for automation, workflows, and business logic. That's why developers and businesses still trust Access for rapid application development and data management. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we've supported Access since version 2.0, building, upgrading, and modernizing databases for clients across the US and some overseas. Our services include database upgrades, performance tuning, web conversions, and SQL Server integration. Whether you're on Access 97 or Microsoft 365, WSI helps you modernize, automate, and future-proof your database. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.